Invisible, very invisible. Let's see the hairline. Very real. The hairline is super invisible. It is suitable for any hairstyle. Very real. The base is also skin, very soft. This one is thinner. Okay, let's see next one. This is a brown color too. Promotion, also on promotion. The inside is the same. They are all V-loop, so it is very invisible. It's suitable for many hairstyles. No matter you split it in the middle or clump the hair backward. Hairline, invisible, right? Okay, next one. This is a light brown color. Light brown. This color is number 18. Number 18. 18, number 18. Also this color. They are all V-loop and all invisible the same way. Very invisible. They are all the same, just the color is different. Let's see inside. Also this color. Sorry. This color. The blonde one. The light brown. Also, those are light brown and the brown ones. We have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 colors for choosing. Also, we have a nature color, number 1B, and other colors. Those are in big promotion. If you like it, we will give you a big discount. It is super economic. Okay. Now we will finish today's show. And thank you so much for watching.